Okay, it is Sunday, October 25th, 2020. It's about 6:55 p.m. and it appears that one of the ICP central air conditioners at my clubhouse has been replaced. It appears to be an OxBox by Ameristar. It appears to be from 2019. It's a 3-ton, just like the old system. I'll definitely get it running next summer. The other 2 units appear to still be there. But yeah, that's a new unit. My guess is that the old ICP had a leak because whenever it was running, the suction line would never get cold. And this is a 14 SEER straight cool unit. It's got a Copeland swirl compressor. So there you have it. Out.